I'll guide you through Figma, how to export. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open figma.com in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one first. After logging in, you will be directed to the Figma homepage. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the section labeled All Projects. This will open a list of all your saved or shared Figma projects. Click on the project you just made, and you'll see all files that you've made. Next, choose file that you want to export. Once the project opens in the editor, move your attention to the right-hand panel. Find the Export section. Next to the Export section, click on the small plus button to add an export setting. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose your preferred export format, such as PNG, PDF, or more. Select your desired format. After selecting the format, click on the Export button that appears below. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Export again to proceed. The file will begin downloading. Once completed, you can click to open it and view your exported project.